What's up, guys? It's A-Claw Vibes here. I'm going to show you guys a quick way on how to rebroadcast a video that you have already recorded as if it's being broadcasted live on like Facebook Live, for example. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to the link that I provide in the description and download OBS. That's what I got open right here. This is a software that we'll be using to broadcast everything live. And once you get that software downloaded, you'll come over here into the scenes and you'll hit this plus button. So I created a scene, it's called demo. Now the first thing you're going to want to do when you open your new scene is hit this plus button over here and select media source. And so when you do that, it'll ask you to name it, right? Hit OK. Now once you have your media source selected, double click it and you'll be able to select what video you want. So browse through here, select your video and hit open. Okay? Then hit OK. From here, it should be showing. So originally when I did this, it doesn't monitor the audio. So the way you get the audio is you hit this preferences over here, you hit advanced audio preferences, and you go to your media source, and then you hit monitor only, mute output, right? Otherwise, it's going to have monitor off and you won't be able to hear your audio. So if you do this, you'll be able to hear your audio. You hit close. And then you resize your video by clicking on these tabs right here. And then from there, if you want to restart your video, there's no pause play button. You just hit this eye icon and then turn it back on and it restarts it. I'll show you through the audio, right? On how to put together a... Hey guys, so as you see, it restarts it. So basically, to get this started, you'll start as if you're going to stream on Facebook Live already. And I have a video that I'll link in the description to that. But basically what you do is you start streaming, you get streaming on Facebook Live, and then what I do is I hit this eye icon, and then it starts. So once it starts, you just let it run in the background, you let it stream as a normal, you can monitor the comments that you get, you can interact with people live as if it's happening right now, even though you recorded this video 2 weeks ago. And it's just a really cool way to be able to interact with your crowd and put screen rolls on here, so like titles, for example. So if you hit this, you can add text, right? And you can just write text in here, special notes to your audience, and just kind of put it on your video, whether you want like to do tips or whatever you guys do. And it's just a really cool way to kind of build and interact with your audience with the pre-produced video. So with that, I hope this video helps. It's just a quick video. If you guys want any more details or anything like that, just let me know in the comments. I make a lot of videos like this, so feel free to subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out. Feel free to like this video. That helps me out a lot as well. And happy streaming, y'all.